Hey guys, welcome back YouTubers. 1200 CHD Harley Sportster coming at you with some cleaning products for your auto care, moto care, your transportation care. I use this shit on my stroller. Fuck it. So I want to show you a nice cleaning hand brush. This kid stuff, protectant, what it does is really renews color and shine, protects and beautifies. It really does in any vinyl, rubber, leather, and plastic. I use it for my saddlebag. Don't worry about the brand. I'm not marketing anybody. I'm not getting paid for anybody. I'm not telling you to use kit especially. I got that from my dealership, by the way. So just use anything that says renews colors and shines, protects and beautifies. Your preference mainly, because I do support my fans. So your preference will do. This tough stuff, multi-purpose foam cleaner for fabric, popping, vinyl, like deep cleaning. It really gets the shit out that this doesn't behind. This leaves an awesome shine, so you want to use that. Scratch out, don't worry about it. Formula One sucks. It doesn't take the scratches out, but it does leave a good before and after picture on it, so I have to use it just in case. Because you don't want to do something and say you regret you didn't. So tire care, of course everybody uses tire care. Make sure you use your tire care, your market, brand, whatever you prefer. Lint-free cloth. Oh yeah, and this most likely. Greek, just sport. So from there, we're gonna take you, try to trim this today. Take it to the car results. These are the results. This is that vinyl care, extra tough stuff for the extra shine. Really proves it makes it look like a brand new car doesn't a little straight. So it's step 180. Now, tire care. There you go. See the rear is not clean, the tire's clean. Big difference. So back to the shine. Yeah, that's the difference. Nice shine. Let me show you inside. Sparkle, right? Brand new car, right? So here we go, more shine. You want to use this stuff, guys. Follow me on YouTube. I give you good advice. I'll show you great videos. Subscribe to my channel. Missed the spot. Yep, we'll get back to that later. Don't worry about it. So that's what I want to show you. Even on this vinyl, tough, white stuff, it takes it off. See that vinyl? Takes it off. It really does good work. I'm not marketing the brands. Again. Here, let me try. Show you something. So just around the car video, pictures. Seat. Let me try to trim some of this shit out. If I don't, have fun watching it. You see, missed the spot right there? That's alright. Tire, clean. You get the idea, guys. Thanks for watching.